You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We got tons coming up. The thing is, here you have two different pronunciations depending on the function of the word or how you use the word. If you use it as an adjective, it's pronounced as separate. Okay, so if you're saying if you're saying that oil and water are separate in a glass, they are separate. Okay, so that's an adjective. Two things are separate from one another. Now if you use it as a verb, in somebody is separating something, so let's say that a firefighter is separating a car from a tree. Well, he separates, or okay, in which case if it's a verb, it's going to be pronounced as separate. I separate my emotions from my thoughts. Separate as a verb, separate as an adjective. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.